Hi friends, Barefoot on the railway and in the store. Amazing lady. Maybe you know her. Her name is Barefoot. She's a real barefooter. Amazing pretty lady. Yes, we can see it. Walking barefoot on the old railway. And now she's in the store. What she's looking for? Very beautiful bag. And she's very stylish. Her bag is beautiful too.
Nice style. Blue jeans and white blouse.
What she's looking for? She wants to buy something. And we can see that she's barefoot. She walks barefoot anywhere. She's a real barefooter. She's well done. Another little bag. She wants to buy this bag maybe. Barefoot lady in the store. She's well done. Yes, we can see it. Thank you for viewing, friends. Goodbye.